Hello guys and welcome back to Homer's Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix if your PS4/PS5 or honestly any console disc is scratched or isn't working. So in order to fix this, what you can do is, first thing you guys can do is simply go to your sink in your house. You're going to first use cold or warm water, it doesn't really matter. You're simply just going to put water all over your disc, and then you're going to let it dry for about like 10 to 15 minutes. Once it is dry, the second thing you guys can do, I know this might sound a bit weird, but you're going to get toothpaste and you're going to apply it all over the disc, or this side, the white part of the disc, not this part. So once you have applied toothpaste all over the disc, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to wait like 2 to 3 minutes, let it dry, and then you're going to wipe, or you're going to put water over it again. So basically just wash the toothpaste after 2 to 3 minutes with cold water or warm water, doesn't really matter. When you're finally done with that, get a tissue, dry everything off. And then, you can wait another 5 to 10 minutes for everything to like 100% be dried off. And then once everything is dried off, you should notice that the scratches has gone away. I have been doing this like for almost 5 to 10 years now. Honestly, after the PS3, I've been doing this method and it's been working. So it's very useful for disc scratches, Make sure you don't have to buy another disc. This saves us a lot of money as well. So yeah, make sure to do this, and thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the channel a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.